Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create new user profile on Mozilla Firefox. So if you want a fresh start or separate browsing for work and personal use, here's the simple way to create a new user profile in Mozilla Firefox step by step. So first you can just close the Firefox completely, and then here you can click or press on the Windows plus R and then type this command and hit on enter. You can just go with firefox.exe script P, and then you can just click on OK. And in here in the profile manager, you can click on create profile, this one, and then click on next. And here you can just enter a name for the new profile like work or gaming or anything that you want. So I'm going to just go with work, and then after that you can just tap on finish. Click on exit, or you can also click on start Firefox to open the Firefox with your new profile. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can manage user profiles in Firefox, simple and powerful. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!